Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do our next two pages. Page number 137 plus page number 138. At page 137, here we have the question. Draw the minute hand and hour hand on the clock to show the time. Students, here we have some clocks. We are going to draw two hands of these clocks. Students, we are going to draw the hands of minutes and hours according the time they give us. Let's start our work. Students, here we have our first clock and we are going to draw two hands of this clock, minutes hand and hour hand, according to the time they give us, and the time is 3 o'clock. Students, we know that the short hand of the clock shows the hours and the long hand of the hours shows the minutes. So we are going to draw hours hand first from here to the number 3. Then minutes hand from here to number 12, like this. We draw these two hands of the clock. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have a clock without hands and we are going to draw hands according to the time, 8 o'clock. Students, we know that the short hand of the clock shows the hours and the long hand of the clock shows the minutes. Here we have the time of 8 o'clock. So we are going to draw short hand of the clock from here to here and a long hand of the clock from here to here. We draw two hands of the clock, hours hand and minutes hand. Now the time is 8 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have a clock without hands and we are going to draw two hands of this clock, hours hand and minutes hand, and the time here we have is 6 o'clock. Students, we know that the short hand shows the hours and the long hand shows the minutes. So we are going to draw a short hand from here to here and a long hand from here to here. We draw two hands of the clock, hour hand, minutes hand, and now the time is 6 o'clock. Go for the next one. Students, here we have again a clock without hands and we are going to draw two hands of this clock and the time is 11 o'clock. Students, here we have 11 hours and we know that the short hand of the clock shows the hours. So we are going to draw a short hand from here to here and a long hand from here to here. We draw these two hands of the clock according to the time. Now the time is 11 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have a clock without hands and we are going to draw hands of the clock. Students, and the time is 5:30. 5 hours and 30 minutes, and we all know that the short hand of the clock shows the hours and the long hand of the clock shows the minutes. So we are going to draw a short hand in between 5 and 6 from here to here, then a long hand from here to here, Now the time is 5:30, 5:30. Go for the next one. Students, here we have a clock without hands, and we are going to draw two hands of this clock according to the time, 9:30. Students, we all know that 9:30 means 9:30. We are going to draw two hands of this clock, short hand that one show for the hours and long hand that shows the minutes. Students, the time is 9:30. So we are going to draw a hand between 9 and 10. So we are going to draw one hand between the number 9 and 10. Let's draw it from here to here, like this. Then the minute hands from here to here, like this. Now students, the time is 9:30, 9:30. Remember, the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. Students, the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. Go for the next page. Here we have page number 138. Students, here we have time. Students, do you remember what is time? Let me remind you, time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. Digital clocks. Students, do you know what is digital clock? Let me tell you, a clock that displays the time in numerical digits rather than by hands on a dial.
This is a digital clock. This is a digital clock. It shows 3 or 4 numbers and 2 dots.
Call the colon.
This is a digital clock. Digital clocks are everywhere you go. At school, on the computer, and on lots of phones. On alarm clocks, microwaves, and monitors too. The numbers show the time, that's what they do. This is a digital clock. The numbers to the left of the dots tell the hour. The numbers to the right of the dots tell the minutes. The numbers to the left of the dots tell the hour. The numbers to the right of the dots tell the minutes. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. This is a digital clock. This is a digital clock.
This is a digital clock. Our digital clock shows the time using numbers, not hands. Students, this one is the digital clock. This digital clock shows the time by using the numbers rather than the clock using a round face with 2 hands. Read the time shown on the digital clocks. Now we are going to learn about to read times in digital clocks. Students, on digital clock, here we have 1 and 2. These 2 digital space is our space from number 1 to number 12. Then these 2 dots, and after this these place 1 and 2. 2-digit place is for minutes place. Here minutes will be displayed from number 1 to 60. Students, the time is 4 o'clock. 4 is an hour and here no 1 minutes is displayed. So the time is 4 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here at the hours place, here we have the digit 6, and at the minutes place, here we have no number from 1 to 60. So the time is 6 o'clock. Go for the next one. Friends, here we have two digits at the hour place, 1 and 1, and then here we have no digits from number 1 to number 60. So the time is 11 o'clock. Go for the next one. Question number 1. Read the time and write in the box. Students, now we are going to read the time, and after this we will write time in the given box. Here we have a one digital clock, and at our hours place, here we have just number 1 and no 1 minutes is displayed here. So the time is 1 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have a digital clock, and at an hours place, here we have the number 3 and no 1 minutes are displayed here. So the time is 3 o'clock, and we are going to write 3 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. 3 o'clock. Go for the next one. Students, here we have also a digital clock, and at the place of hours, here we have the number 6 and there is no 1 minutes is displayed here. So the time is 6 o'clock. We are going to write 6 o'clock here. 6 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K. 6 o'clock. Go for the next one. Students, here we have number 8 at the hours please, and 30 minutes at the minutes place, and the time is 8:30, means 8:30. The time is 8:30 and 8:30. Go for the next one. Here we have two digits at the hours place. The digits are 1 and 0. So 10 hours and 30. 30 minutes. 10:30. The time is 10:30. 10:30. So we are going to write 10:30 in the given box. Let's write it. H-A-L-F. Half past. P-A-S-T. Past. 10:30. 10. 10:30. Go for the next one. Here we have a digital clock, and at the place of hours, here we have 1 and 2. 12, number 12, and at the place of minutes, here we have 3 and 0. 30 minutes. 12 hours and 30 minutes. 12:30. 12:30. So we are going to write 12:30 in the box. Let's write it. H-A-L-F. Half past. P-A-S-T. Past. 12:30. 1 to 12. 12:30. Go for the next one. Here we have question number 2, and the question is, write the time on the digital clock. Students, here we have some times, and we are going to draw digits in the given boxes. First of all, here we have the time of 2 o'clock. So first of all we are going to draw 0 over here. Then the digit of 2. Students, is there have any minute? No. So we are going to draw 0 and 0 again. Students, we write time on digital clock and the time is 2 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have the time of 5 o'clock. Students, we are going to write the hours first. 5, 0, 5. Students, is there have any minute? No. So we are going to write 0 and 0 at the place of minutes. 0 and 0. We write time on digital clock and the time is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Go for the next one. Here we have the time of 7 o'clock. Students, we are going to write time on digital clock and the time is 7 o'clock. First of all, we are going to write at the hours place and the hours are 7. We are going to write 07 first. Then, is there have any minute? No minutes. We are going to write 0 and 0 at the place of minutes. 0 and 0. 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. We write time in the digital clock and the time is 7 o'clock. Go for the next one. 1:30. Students, we are going to write time on digital clock and the time is 1:30. 1:30 o'clock. So we are going to write the hours first. 0, 1. Then 1/2 means here we have 30 minutes. So we are going to write 30 minutes at the minutes place. 30. 1:30. 1:30. Go for the next one. 4:30 means the time is 4:30. 4:30. Students, we are going to write hours first. 4 hours. So 04. 1/2 means here we have 30 minutes. So we are going to write 30 at the minutes place. 30. 4:30 means 4:30. Go for the next one. 9:30. Students, 9:30. First of all, we are going to write hours. So 9 hours. 09. Then the meaning of 9:30 is here we have 30 minutes. So we are going to write 30 at the minutes place. 30. The time is 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. Students, we complete our today's work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.